Alright, what's up guys? And today,
Hell,
we're gonna be, shut the today we're gonna be playing a Dusty Trip, and
about to butt.
we're gonna be getting little diddle. So,
Yeah,
hey guys, I'm just gonna cut to whenever we're inside of the game, so,
you know.
you need to brush your teeth. Come here.
Why?
Could you just,
Don't be yapping. Why is that a fall? Mason,
how do wait, I know exactly what to do. We gotta put little diddle up here.
would you bring the cactus in again? Come here. Like, what if I told you, stop bringing cactus in the house?
I'm sorry!
Get outside. Get in the car. Get.
Okay, we gotta build this, okay?
Okay. Then get in the car.
Sorry, Dad.
What have I told you about
Guys, we need
bringing
to pick you.
cactuses in the f***ing house?
I'm sorry, it was just too schmucksy.
What? How do you know that word?
I'm not sure, Dad.
Have your mom been teaching you some no words?
No. Go ahead and get the other tires on. If you can get the tires on, I'll get the thingies. What are they called? The little ports.
Oh gee whiz, I'm out of
Bruh.
I got a person.
Alright, so we're just gonna cut to whenever we're done building it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that because
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. F1. Let me come. Hey, let me see your teeth.
Yeah.
That's where you first. Yep, I see why. I see why you're talking.
Guys, do we need to get little Stevie?
There's something.
Do we need to get little Stevie?
Yeah, bring little Stevie. Hey, Mason, look at the car.
Little Stevie.
Look at the car. Got something on its back.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I'm still
Get. Anyways, we got little Stevie now.
Little Stevie.
He's just chilling on the top.
Make it drop. That's a... Bro, it got something. It has some balls. The car has some balls.
Car has balls?
Yes. The toothbrush.
Car has balls?
Oh, I gotta hide this pickle juice from Mason.
Mama, pickle juice!
You don't need your pickle juice.
My pickle juice goes.
I started flying.
My pickle juice! Where did you go?
I don't.
Where are you? Hold up. Wait, what? You're really not there. What the f? Where'd you go?
I'm not telling you.
Makes me sad, though.
Wait, I can fly. He can fly. He can fly. He can fly.
She was a fairy.
I can fly. Ah!
Wait, you want to see if I can fly?
Ah!
I'm gonna make an edit
I
out
can
of that.
fly. I can fly. He can fly.
I'm gonna see if I can fly.
He can fly. He can fly. He can fly. But we can fly.
Hold up, wait.
Ah!
I don't know how to fly. It's not letting me fly.
That's not my
How did you
problem.
do it? How did you do it?
That is not my problem.
Wait, how did you do it?
I can fly. He can fly. He can fly.
I'm gonna weld this
And
in the
Mason,
side of the car.
look, bro, I'm already getting some miles.
I'm doing this.
I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. I'm lonely. Bro, Mason, just look in the air. No, when I come over there. Look up. I can show you the world.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping that door right
I
there.
can show you the
Houston,
world.
I'm keeping this door right
Why?
here because we need it. It's gonna be our self-defense mechanism.
I can fly. I can
So you're gonna
fly.
put
I can
another one
fly.
right here?
No!
Yeah, but
I dropped the door. Ah!
how did you even shit? How did you do that?
Oh, let me show you. Let me show you.
What did you do?
Okay, first, put it down, and then get on top of it. Where are you? Where are you?
Hold up, I got it. You said put it down, then get on
No,
top
Mason,
of it.
come over here where I'm at. Okay, put it down. Put it down. And then, do you know how to tap it?
Yeah.
Okay, 3.
It doesn't work.
I think you need a outdoor. Wait, try, follow me. I think you can use... Use one of the big tires. Let me try one of the doors.
Bro, let me use your door. Hold on. Let me see.
Let me use one of this. Oh, I can't fly. I'm gonna use the bunker.
Oh!
Are you flying?
I'm flying!
Yeah, you can fly now.
Yo, that's tough. We're keeping this.
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. I just thought of something.
It sounds like somebody's beating their meat.
I have something. Oh, it
Listen,
doesn't
bro.
work. It doesn't work. I tried a painting.
Do you not hear that?
Bro, that's so goofy. Is this a plane? It's a plane. We can't grab it. I'm grabbing the weight. I'm grabbing the radio. Welcome to my house. We don't want to get copyrighted. No copyrighting. We need an engine.
Now let's put
Where's
the
the
engine.
engine?
I already put the engine in.
Yeah, you already put the
You don't
engine
hear
in.
that, bro?
Now radiator. Where the
I already
is the
put the radiator
radiator?
in. Oh yeah.
You already put the radiator
We're cooking. Bro, did you see how high I went?
Now we need doors. Welcome to my house. Baby, control now. We don't have
Bro,
to
look.
go.
No!
Yeah, you can't master it. Master these nuts in your mouth.
I'm gonna weld this to my body.
What? Wait, can you actually do that?
Gotta see. Oh, no, I can't.
Oh, sucks. I'm just building the car and you're doing... I don't know.
I'm
what
doing
you're
me, bro. I'm a fairy.
She was a fairy. Fairy.
What was that? Chat, should I turn on voice chat?
I don't know.
Because you don't have voice chat.
Yeah, I know. Love you, chat.
Oh yeah, look at me.
Oh my god! You can get that quicker. I'm going in the car.
Bro, look at me. I'm cooking.
I got little diddle and you got... I don't know.
Have
you seen the gas?
Nope. Not at all. But all I know is that I'm cooking. Can I drive again?
No.
I'm a good driver.
Don't trust them. Yeah, I don't trust you. It's on the letter and it said don't trust.
Don't trust me.
Should we bring some more
Dude,
gas?
this will get you anywhere, bro. Just use this. Use this method. Look, I'm already at 126 meters.
Yeah, that's what I did.
You just need to let me cook, bro. I can reach
I'm
1,000.
building the car and yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
You don't see me though?
No, I don't see you at all.
Oh shoot.
Ball.
I just showed you.
I'm filling up the car with bling bing 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 bing.
Bree, beacles.
No. No brain rot on this. No brain rot.
I'm almost back home.
There it is. No brain rot.
I'm almost back at home.
No brain rot today. I will be driving the car.
No, you can trust me. No, I want to drive it. Please? Okay, we're attaching this door to the side of the car.
Yeah, we need to. Because when we get trapped, we can have that.
But no, we need two though.
Try to fill it up, or can you not?
Bro, it won't freaking, like, weld.
Bro, I'm filling. Is that it?
Hold up.
It's 9 liters. We have 9 liters.
Bro!
It's 9 liters.
Wait.
How do I close the thing again? Try and close the thing. No, let me drive. Remember what happened last time?
It's fine. Can you take this door off?
No.
The roof thing?
Yeah, what's me? I'm in the back.
Okay. See, I don't know how to
I'll drive
close
off.
this door. I think I'm gonna drive. Are you ready? Wait, you need to put the trailer on.
Hey, Mason. Just look. Put my feet in your back.
Ah! Get your toes up! Are you ready? Wait, let's get in.
Wait, okay, something. If you got the pistol. If you got the pistol.
No, I'll put the pistol in the trunk. I'll put the pistol in the trunk. There's a pistol in the door.
We got the pistol.
We're cooked. Damn!
Pistol. What's the pistol?
I already put it in the freaking trunk. Check the trunk. Well, I put some stuff in it. Oh yeah, we forgot the pickle juice. It's my beloved pickle juice.
Okay.
Come on, let's go, honey. Let's go.
Driving the wrong way. Drive. Henderson, what the?
Drive. Henderson, what the? Bro, look at all freaking doors. Just sitting there.
Door.
We got little Stevie in the gas tank. You know, oil can.
He's got water because last time we did not get any gas.
Oh yeah. We need water. Oh wait, we forgot food. These big nuts.
Oh, have you seen that bug? These big nuts.
I want to listen to music.
I'll show you about the pistol. I'll show you. Are you sure we brought the pistol?
Go look. You got me shit.
You look. You put it in the trunk. Stop and just look. Show me to the trunk. Open your door for you. Oh, yeah, you mother.
Did you see it?
Hey, door! I'm trying to close the door! Drive the door open.
Bro,
Wait, is that the dude up
we should
there?
have gotten the porta potty. Yeah, get it.
Pull over, stop. We gotta go. Are you blind?
Yeah, did you see that?
Bro, are you blind? Oh, shit.
No, I'm not blind.
Bro, stop.
Okay, hold on. Sorry, that's funny.
Shut up. You can take my seat. Take my
Tell him to get out then.
No, he can take it. Don't drive. You motherfucker. Stop. Can't close the fucking door.
How much is it?
I don't know. Okay. Are you dumb? Drive.
Bro, you left the gas can open. Hey, what do you mean with the gas can?
Just drive.
Yeah,
Don't
we're
let me
good.
drive.
It's okay, bro. This car is like rinky dinky.
You shouldn't let me drive.
No, I'm really good.
And can we pull over?
Where there's a shop over there.
And grab something else.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Can't grab nothing.
Bro, the freaking wheel is stuck.
Are you turning? Don't turn. Are you turning?
No, I'm not. It's stuck.
Drive. Just drive.
Damn, look! Why are you shooting at it? Stop! You're gonna waste our bullets! Where are you going?
Hold it.
Okay, I got it.
Fix it.
You want me to pick you up? Hold on. I'm gonna go pick you up. Huh?
Nine.
Can you close my door?
999. We got 999.
What are you doing? Why are you leaving? Bro, what are you doing?
If I die, I'll die. Oh.
Look! You could.
Like me. Pull over. Pull over. I'll die, If you pull over.
Yes, I am.
Die. Are you sure you stopped? Because I'm running.
Sure is. Sure is.
Door. Go.
Well, was there anything different?
No, it's done.
You go cut down that cactus.
should have took down that cactus.
Wait, no, our oil can fell off.
Oh yeah, I forgot I shoot it. And there's a zombie. And we don't have a...
Wait, there's a gas station right there too.
There's a zombie. And that's down behind us.
We're gonna go back.
Really?
You wanna go back to it?
No. I don't want to run back.
Bro, I'm not
Are you
trying.
Tokyo
No,
drifting?
no, I'm not trying to. Of course, I have.
Wait, there's a shop right there.
Probably gonna have zombies in there.
No, there's not. There's not. Stay in the shop. Stay on here. Okay. Do you have anything to recycle?
I have little dinner. Little Stevie. There's this dude, this random dude that's in my car. Don't take little Stevie. Little Stevie's cool.
We don't. We'll have some.
I told you to grab the dang pickle juice.
Sorry, little Steve.
We would need no little Stevie, no!
It doesn't cost anything.
Take the tires off. It's pretty good steel.
Little Steve doesn't.
It's still not good.
How about the door?
No, do not. No, we need the door. In case we run out of gas, that's our only port of transportation. Hey, bro, can you come over here and fix these tires?
Sorry, bud. Oh, I'm floating. I'll meet you at the end. And I won't die either. But I will die of hunger. I'll meet you at the end, Mason. No! I fell off the door. Hey, where are you? Come on, hurry up.
I can't, bro. It won't let me freaking close the door.
Yeah, I won't die. I'll die of hunger. There's a gas station with the zombie, but there's no gun.
Get your big ass arm out of me, bro. You got eggs.
What, the arms?
This is arm was in my way.
He's
Bro,
bulky.
bro. What's code this thing? Bro, I swear to God, it's not actually letting me close.
Zombies were attacking me, so I had to start flying. When I see zombies, start flying.
Bro, I'm keeping the dang door open.
Bro, I got the door. I got the floating door.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Well, I'm about to pass you.
Bro, I'm floating. That's how far I am. That's how many miles.
What is
Mason,
that?
look. I'm past. There's a tower. I don't know if it has zombies. And there's a car.
Yes, you do too. I
And
found
zombies. The tower has zombies. I repeat, the tower has zombies.
We're gonna make it through. Okay, we'll go.
I see a car. A car.
Wait, build it. I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna get to you. Wait, we need to get gas though.
Do you have a tower? We might
Yeah, I
need
have
it.
tires.
Job? You said job.
Ah!
You said the
Oh, yeah,
J word.
jobs. Oh wait, I found you.
Do we have a tire? Because there's only two.
Yeah, I have tires.
You have to pick off the old tires and put them on here.
Now let me drive.
No.
Dude, I promise you, I'm a good driver.
Are you sure? Let us down if we die. So no, I'm not letting you drive. No drive. Get out. Get out.
Bro, trust me.
No.
I'm a good driver, am I not?
No. There's no tires. We need one more.
There's a tire right here, I found it.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, did it?
Talk to this guy.
And why the fuck is it even there? We gotta put good ass thing.
Let's try to take off one of the tires. Take off one of the tires. Sorry, dude, you're gonna stay. Did you can wear this to the
Hold
car?
on, wait, how do I open this? How do I pour the gas in?
I got a tire.
Bro, the gas isn't pouring.
It's a little tire. We got a little tire.
Actually?
Yeah. Well, we can take these off and go replace them. No, not.
Oh, wait, hold up.
We don't have another tire.
Bro, how do I
No.
open it? Here, yeah, you do.
Now's it.
Lord.
Now's it. Let me drive.
Hold up. Let me put... How do I even open it?
Mason?
Let me drive. No, please. Okay, here. Every 1,000 miles, then there's a different person that gets to drive.
How am I getting this?
So, like 3,000 miles?
How am I supposed to get in? Is there... Wait, we can take the engine from that car because we need an engine.
Oh.
Take the engine from that car. Because there's no engine. We need an engine. Sorry, dude, you're gonna be stuck in there. No, I'll do it. Take the engine. Let's go. We just need the engine. Where's food? We need food. We have no food. Are you placing it?
Yeah, go grab the other thing.
Are we good?
No, we need to put the radiator on.
Oh, okay, that's true. That's true. But we have one small tire. Do we have the radio? We do. Okay, we gotta go to a gas station. Wait, there's a tower. Hope they have food.
Bruh.
Let me do it. Okay, don't want to check out the tire. Don't want to check out the tower.
Yeah, but we don't have a weapon.
We can run. Oh, Major
Where
Bear.
Where's it at, bro?
Hey, is it Mason? Come to the tower.
How do I sit?
You can get this side. Not that
Let's get
side.
in this side, bro.
Is this? Let's go to the tower.
Hold up. Bro, we don't have the photos.
Major Doug.
Here. Bro.
I'll meet you at the thing.
Is it bugged? We have to unlock it? Is there another thing we have to put in?
No! Mason, run! Oh, I'm gonna chase.
Bro.
See it, bud.
Wait, why are you bringing it over here too?
I was getting chased.
Oh wait, we have to buy it.
I was getting chased.
Dead.
I was getting chased.
Bro, how the hell do I... Oh, wait, we have to buy it.
Yeah, do you have enough?
We have to buy the shady part.
Yeah. They have to stick with that old rust bucket. Yep.
Please, the zombies, please don't kill me. That'd very much
I don't know if they're a gang or zombies.
They're zombies.
Oh,
Definitely.
I'm about to die at 2. There's a house.
I died.
There's zombies. There's zombies.
Well, guys,
I'm still standing.
I think we're gonna call it quits there.
No, I'm still standing.
You died too. What? I don't even know where to go. Shut the.
I'm still standing.
Alright, well, anyways, I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video there.
Not yet.
Me and Bingleton.
No. Still have one more. that a zombie place?
Oh, yeah, you're about to die.
It's a zombie. Yes, Ripley has food. There's wood. No wood. Just wood.
It won't let me spectate you.
I'm about to die.
Alright, guys.
And I died.
I guess we're going to call it quits there. Me and Bingleton, we had a lot of fun. Hope y'all had some good laughs watching this.
But bad at all.
Alright, anyways. Y'all have a good day, bye, guys. And be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye. We died to what? We died